Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita, and I am so thrilled to have you here today. So today I'm going to be showing you one of the herbal treatments I just discovered for my hair, and I've used it twice, and I can tell you this for sure, it is amazing. It's a must try for everybody. Honestly, you should really try it. Anyway, so if you want to see that, then stick around and go nowhere. You know how we do it. But first, if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe icon. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. You can also check out my other videos. Drop your girl a comment, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's how we do it. Alright guys, so let's get straight into this. So the herbal hair treatment I'm going to be talking about today is the henna hair treatment. Guys, I can tell you this, I have used it twice and so far it is amazing. What it does is actually coating the spaces between each cuticles of the hair, thereby strengthening the hair. Like the first time I used the treatment, my hair was definitely extremely strengthened. The first time I used it, I also used it before washing my hair as a mask. But now the second time I tried it after washing my hair as a mask. And I can tell you this, I prefer the results that I got when I used it after washing my hair. So this is the hair I'm working with today. I just took out a protective style. So I'm definitely going to, wash my hair and then come and show you what it looks like after that. And the application process, of course. Another thing is this, guys, you have to keep henna. That means you prepare the mixture and keep it for like 4 hours or more before you're able to use it. And why? The reason is this: it contains something called lawson dye. Now the lawson dye is actually what activates the properties of the henna. The lawson dye is actually what is needed to strengthen the hair and produce whatever result you want to get. Also, it can induce hair growth. Yeah, I don't know about that, but I just started trying it out and I'll let you know if that is true for sure. But another thing is everybody's hair is going to react differently. So what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. So it's definitely something you should try. So I'm going to show you my mixture. I had prepared this last night and I left it through the night. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like before applying it to my hair. But yeah, I gotta wash this hair first. Another thing you need to know about henna is that lawson dye actually has the ability to tint the hair just a little bit. Now I don't have any problem with that because you know I already dyed my hair before. I dyed my hair brown, so I don't have any problem with that. I still use a color safe shampoo because of the dye I once applied on my hair, even though I think I have trimmed all the dyed parts out. Well, still, but the henna leaves a little bit of tint, not color but tint, that can be seen when you're under the sun, for instance. I don't have any problem with that. So if you have a problem with that, you can actually mix it with a black tea. If you have black hair and you don't want the brownish tint, you can mix it with black tea so that the color doesn't leave any tint on your hair. So that's basically it. I am going to go wash my hair, then we can talk about the benefits, the complete package, what henna has in it that your hair could benefit from, and then we will see the application. But so far so good. This is what my hair looks like. It's a mess. It is a mess. But I'm just going to go wash this hair and then I'll come back for the application and the benefits of henna on your hair. You know how we do it, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Drop your girl a comment. Click the subscribe icon if you haven't done that. And click the bell icon if you want to know whenever we have a new video out. Thanks, guys. So, go on to wash this hair and I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, so this is what the mixture looks like, and this is what the powder actually looks like. So what I did was to mix the powder with some water, and I left it through the night. Although you're required to leave it for at least 4 hours, you can leave it for more if you want. So I left it through the night. I let the mixture sit through the night. So if you want to get this, it is pure art body henna. You can get it from anywhere in Nigeria. And if you're in a foreign country, I think you need to check one of those Indian stores also to get it. You can buy online from Amazon or something. Yeah, but I bought mine from a local market. So yeah, just check. It is available everywhere. Mhm. So this is the consistency. As you can see, it is not too thick and it is not too runny. I like it this way on my hair. The first time I did it, it was extremely thick and my hair became so dry. But this time around, I have made it not to be so thick, and I included some oils to the mixture. So feel free to do that as well. Look at that chocolate brown look it has. uh it's so refreshing to look at. I don't know why, but anyway, so this is it. This is what it looks like. Now let's go to the application. So guys, welcome back. And yeah, I have just finished washing my hair, and high porosity as usual. My hair is already dried at the roots, so I have some water to help me out with that problem. And of course I have my henna. So like I said, I mixed this up last night. I'm just going to apply it to my hair now that I have finished washing my hair. And because this thing is colorful, y'all, the first time I used it, I used my hands directly and I ended up with orange brown palms and of course brown fingernails. So I've learned my lesson the hard way. You have to use some sort of protective gear over your hands. I'm going to be using my gloves. Yeah, we are good to go. So I usually use blue gloves, but for the purpose of this, because I want you to see how colorful this thing really is, I'm going to use white. I feel like I'm about to inject someone, like snap out of it, girl. Okay, so I think I'm losing. Okay, so I need to get my hair clips. My mirror is over there, so I'm just going to look above you to my mirror, see what I am doing. And this thing can get messy, like really really messy, so you absolutely definitely want to protect your floors, or just do it outside your home or something. Yeah, I like to put this all over my hair from roots to tips. Okay, so now that I have shown you the mixture, the consistency, and the application, let me quickly run through the benefits, or some of the benefits of henna. And I feel like there are so many other benefits that we have not yet discovered. So well, anyways, I guess we'll keep discovering these benefits as we keep going on. So yeah. All right, so quickly, benefits of henna. Henna actually repairs split ends. Henna prevents dandruff and encourages scalp health as a whole. It conditions the hair. It serves as natural hair dye. So you can mix with
any other herb that can color your hair depending on the color that you are looking for when you want to dye your hair with henna. Henna balances the pH of your scalp and the oil production, and it repairs damaged and brittle hair, while it strengthens the hair and reduces thinning. So henna curbs hair loss and it promotes hair growth. Like I said earlier, that benefit I am yet to confirm, but hey, people have testimonies regarding henna, so why not? Then anyways, I think that is it. It reduces hair fall amongst others. So yeah, basically those are the benefits of henna. That a lot of benefits actually. So if you haven't tried this, I would suggest that you completely give it a trial. If you have and you feel like you didn't like it, because I know the first time that I applied it to my hair, I didn't detangle. I just applied it as a mask and I just left my hair dry and matty and all of that. So I didn't feel good about it, but after looking at other ways to use it, I found this method, and this method is actually amazing on my hair. So you might want to try it again if you tried it before and you feel like you didn't like it. Trust me, you want to incorporate henna into your regimen. And I'm going to look for other ways to use it as well. So if you don't want to use it as a mask, I would look for other ways that we can use it, and I will put it up here very soon. So just stick around. You know how we do it. So before I leave, before we move into the results of this beautiful mask, let me just say that if this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, and click the subscribe icon so that you are part of this beautiful family. You can also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. God bless you. And I'll see you in a bit with the results. Protected, fully protected. My hands are good. All right. See you later. So this is like 5 hours later. This is what my hair looks like. I'm trying not to put my hand in it, but this is it. This is it. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, and of course click the subscribe icon. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. Thanks guys, see you in my next video. I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.